Why, hello, JJ Builders. This is Joe, your Lego man. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to put together and try to clean up my UCS Millennium Falcon and try to clear off this table a little bit just so I can start getting back into building and organizing and building and organizing. And here is my UCS Millennium Falcon. So this piece is off. That's no big deal. That's supposed to come off. It's a little dusty, as you can see. And I got a little piece missing here, but there it is there. I'm gonna take care of that. So, I'm gonna get that back together, then put that to one side of the table, probably that way. And then with the boxes, I'm gonna cut the fronts off, everything else will be recycled. Keep the fronts just so at some point it's gonna become wall art. So let's get rocking. So here are my boxes reduced to just the fronts. There's the big box that's going to go for recycle at some point once I fill it up. For the Millennium Falcon, it is all back together. So now we're just going to keep it on the corner like this for now until I find a better place for it. I still got a few boxes to go through. These are the other ones I have left to do. You know, it's quite a bit. It'll take some time. But for now, I'm going to take a quick break because all that cutting with the scissors got my hands a little sore, so I'm going to take 5 and come back soon. Almost there. Boxes are starting to go down. Got a few more done. So, this is the box that I'm putting all the... Now, this is all going to be recycled. It's almost full. I'm going to be sealing that soon. I'll probably get another 2 boxes in there, maybe. Then that whole thing goes recycle. There's my fronts. There's a UCS Falcon. And for my next project, after I finish cutting those ones up and those ones, that is my next project. So last year, this is the Lego lighthouse. This was sitting right on that corner. And when I was moving a chair this way, I knocked it right off. It crashed onto the floor. And it's been sitting like this ever since. So that is what I will be putting together next. Rebuilding it. Until then, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you when I put that back together.